said, here, baby, you fired up. Get that rotation going. So now I'm talking about, man, this is beautiful. I
got
got
to get where I go, man. I can't motherfucker.
Man, you know, we been on this motherfucker. I've been right here, man, trying to check these motherfuckers, telling them, man, what, man, we ain't like, man, it's over with. You gotta go to mom. For real. I mean, it's Miami, bro. I mean, for real.
We all stay, y'all got here yesterday, y'all got here today.
We got here just today.
Okay, yeah, we got here last night and shit. Look at that, my brother and shit. What the fuck? I ain't getting it. I can't do it.
That was coming from the cabin next to me. And we haven't even sailed yet. We're still in government cut. I said to myself, man, I am going to be in trouble if that's what I got to listen to on this cruise. But the wonderful thing that happened, that went on for about an hour. And then I come back, I would decide to come back out later on, and it was totally quiet out there. And it stayed that way, not one word peep out of anybody on the other side of that wall, even right up to we docked back in Miami to disembark. Boy, did I get lucky.